What you doing?
Taking video.
Ah, yes, video. What you?
I clean some octopus and
Where you
tuna.
bought? Oh, big. Where?
Yes, it's so big. My relatives been in Mauritius, La Union. You remember we've been there?
Yes.
We have a video from La Union. They've been there and then they come here in Pampanga to give us this one.
Ah,
We
what?
buy there. So big. So many.
Octopus and tuna.
Yes, tuna and octopus.
How much? How much you pay?
It's 750.
750.
Big tuna and so many octopus.
Yes.
Big octopus. Big, so big.
So you want clean now? Or
Oh yes,
put
I
in the
need to
refrigerator?
clean it. Need to put in the refrigerator so that we need to be fresh.
What do you think? How many kilograms?
This one?
No, all. No, 750 you said, yes?
Maybe
No, I think it's cheap, yes? Because
Yeah.
in Pampanga expensive.
expensive. This one is almost 200 pesos, Leon.
200 peso one octopus?
No, it's little bit only, but it's so expensive. What is the octopus here in Philippines? In Angeles.
Because I seen in the market in Angeles. One yes, 200
They
peso.
can, what is this? They can sell only, maybe this one, like this only. Maybe 4 pieces, just before I buy already.
Oh, good. Okay.